Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn about how to show a modal in your React Native application. So React Native modal we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's see how we are going to create a React Native modal pop-up. So here we have the things. So show modal, this is the modal and you can just click on the close, it will hide back. Okay, so how we are going to make this, we are going to learn in this video. Let's have a look. So here we have the React and the use state from the React web view, text, modal, touch opacity, style sheet and the safe area. Okay, from the React Native. So first modal, so first it's to be the false. When there is toggle, we will make it modal to be visible. Okay, then we have modal content. This is the content part in the view text touch opacity with the close button. Okay, and then we have the touch opacity toggle on press whenever we click on the show modal button. Okay, so what we have to do, we on press toggle modal, so it will go to the toggle modal and the state to be changed by false to true. Okay, model animation to be slide, so we have adding the slide mod and the transparent to be true, visible model whatever the its property, whether it's to be true, whether it's to be a false, and the model content, so we are rendering over here the model content in the modal section, right? Then close the safe area. Okay, then there is a style sheet over here, then we have a container, we have a modal container, then modal content, so we have styling that modal content also, then modal text, show button color. Okay, then button text, and then close button, we have adding the margin top 15, close button text. Okay, then export default app. By doing this you are able to successfully get this pop-up modal. Okay, and whenever wherever you want to add, there you can add that modal. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.